Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about why is the market dumping now, what happened actually, and what could be the possibilities for the next couple of weeks and month. Then also we should talk about the fact that AI kinda could overtake really blockchain and crypto. AI agents can overtake humans, and there could be more AI agents on chain than humans. So let's talk about that as well. And also the new report of Fidelity came out, and it's saying actually that more big players going to join the game in 2025. I mean, Bitcoin, we're talking about the nation states and central banks, treasuries, and so on and so forth. And why? I'm going to tell you as well. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. So since yesterday, we can see that the market is going down, Bitcoin is going down, and altcoins also going down. And for starts, let's have a look at the prices. We can see the Bitcoin is actually down 5% in the last 24 hours, Ethereum 7.5%. The top gainer, we don't have many right now, is SPX 2% up, and that's it. Losers, we have ENA 16% down, Celestia 15% down, Hype 15%. It's so many double digits actually right now. Not massive, to be honest with you, but we can see some correction now on the market. And this is going to be the first topic I would like to talk about. So when we're looking at the candlestick chart here, we can see Bitcoin, and Bitcoin actually went down, not major, to be honest with you. Look at this, about 6-7% compared to yesterday's price, and compared to all-time high, we talking about, what's that? Oops, sorry, it's just, yeah, almost 12%. So this is not major dump. And actually, when we're looking at liquidations, it perfectly worked out. A little bit went up, a little bit went down. And, there were some liquidations when we're looking at the last 24 hours here. We're talking about a bit more than $700 million were liquidated. And the reason what's happened, it's not happening in crypto. It actually, the reason was the great news about the US economy. So, it looks like that more and more employers would like to hire people. So that was really positive for the job market. Then we also, because of the good news, we had the 10-year US Treasury yield increasing. And, all these kind of things working just the opposite when we're looking at the stock market and crypto market. So great news for the economy. That could mean that the Fed won't cut the interest rate that heavily. And if they don't do this, this is probably what's going to happen at the FOMC meeting at the end of this month, that they don't cut the rates. Here we have also, the prediction, 95% is saying that there will be no rate cuts this time, after we had three, in the last three FOMC meetings. And yeah, so basically these news triggered the market in the wrong direction, put it this way. But look at this picture here. To having corrections, it's totally normal in the bull market. Look how Bitcoin looked like, and back in 2016-17 we had major corrections compared to this, 30-40% corrections. Here, when we're looking at the 2021 bull market, then we had also these 23, 32, 26%. When we're looking at this bull market, the corrections are much smaller. So this is no major correction, what we seeing right now, but some correction for sure. And as I talked about it already on Monday, that this is going to be a volatile month, because look, this is now the new data came out. this caused this dump. Then we're going to have the CPI data coming on the 15th of January. Question mark, what's going to happen? Then we have Donald Trump's big day on the 20th of January. And also we're going to have the FOMC meeting where probably will be no rate cuts at the 29th of January. So this will make us a volatile January, I believe, and this is what we actually seeing right now, but it's totally normal and totally part of the bull market in my opinion. And also, look, we have Donald Trump who actually said that our companies can't compete with now because our currency is too strong and it is killing us. So basically, they would like to weaken the US dollar. Donald Trump going to weaken the US dollar. It's going to be important for them to survive, and this should mean some rate cuts. So, okay, this is what's happening right now, but after Donald Trump is the president, I think this direction probably going to change, and this could trigger actually the bull market a bit better. And also, when we're looking at US Fed money printing, there could be 612 billion US dollar in new liquidity to US Treasury by March 2025. So actually this year, this is going to happen, in the first quarter. So all these things together, I think it's rather going to push the market up. But we're going to have a volatile market, and this is what's happening right now. Now these news came out. It wasn't crypto, it was rather stock market, and the impact of the stock market on crypto. This is what pushed down the prices, but no major dumps, to be honest with you. When we're looking at Bitcoin, this is kind of a nothing burger so far. And when we're looking at altcoins, yeah, double digits, but not like massive, like 30, 40, 50% kind of ones, but like 10 something. And when we're looking at the average. So I believe we could go up again. We don't have to wait that long for that. But, this was the market's reaction of yesterday's good news, put it this way. Right. Okay. Another thing I would like to talk about is AI. I have talked about AI this week already, but let's talk about the fact that maybe AI agents can overtake humans. So here we go. Machines, not humans, to drive crypto's mass adoption. This was the title here. So leading crypto builders and investors are predicting a future where AI agents, not people, dominate blockchain networks. So here somebody is saying that we will see 1 billion agents on chain before we see 1 billion human on chain. So these guys going to, AI agents, not guys, but overtake. So the prediction comes aimed a surge in AI agent development for crypto, with platforms like Virtuous already generating $60 million in revenue. And yes, this is totally possible. What we have seen in 2024, it was already a big development for AI. And they say in 2025, this year, will be even bigger for AI. And I think, therefore, this sector will perform in crypto and also outside of crypto as well, when we're looking at NVIDIA and others. But, this is also a scary thing that, the AI agents going to overtake and probably will be first ones who reaching 1 billion agents rather than 1 billion humans on chain. Yeah, okay. And the next topic I would like to talk about is Fidelity's new report saying that actually in this year, nation states, central banks going to have strategic Bitcoin allocations. Right, so in this year, 2025, even more big guys can enter into the game, according to Fidelity. They're saying that nation states and central banks are expected to buy Bitcoin in 2025. Rising inflation, currency debasement, and growing fiscal deficit will push countries to make strategic Bitcoin allocations. According to the report, more nation states, central banks, sovereign wealth funds actually, and treasuries are expected to buy cryptocurrency, according to Fidelity. And we can see already what's happening, Donald Trump being the next president. Or I just talked yesterday about the possibility that the new Prime Minister of Canada, who actually is leading now, the election is coming this year, it's also crypto friendly and so on and so forth. But look, here we have China Nation Bank governor weighs Bitcoin for future reserve strategy. The governor of China Nation Bank recently considered Bitcoin as potential diversification strategy for the country's foreign exchange reserve, highlighting the growing government interest in cryptocurrency as saving technology. Then we have Thailand just announced that Thailand's deputy prime minister and finance minister announced today at a seminar organized by the Marketing Association of Thailand that the country will initiate a new cryptocurrency payment project. This initiative will begin in the popular tourist destination Phuket, allowing foreign tourists to use digital assets for shopping in the city. So that looks like, again, Thailand opening up, pilot program, start just in Phuket, but if it works out, then they will put it in other cities as well. So this is also some positive thing. And looking at countries, the United States, China, UK, Ukraine, Bhutan, El Salvador, Finland, Georgia, they all having, crypto. Germany, not anymore. But we don't know about many countries that they might, even with Bhutan was the fact that we didn't know for a while that they hold that big amount of Bitcoin. So there are many addresses. We don't know who is behind it. There could be already secretly other, countries accumulating Bitcoin, and this probably going to continue in this year, 2025. Right. These were the highlights for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain to keep you up to date. So that's important. Very simple. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And yes, see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.